Hey G Squad, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made these roasted sweet potatoes along with the lemon barbecue salmon. So if you would like to see how I created this dish, then keep watching. Alright family, so here are all our ingredients laid out on the counter. So I'm going to be cooking 3 salmon steaks today. I picked these up from Whole Foods. They come individually wrapped and frozen. I love these. I have a lemon. I'm using half the lemon and about a teaspoon of juice from this lemon, as well as some of the lemon zest. And that is going to go inside the barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to use the original barbecue sauce, and that's what I'm going to make my lemon mixture, with this. And I'm going to season my fish with this lemon pepper seasoning. Then here I have my sweet potato or yam. I picked this up from the farmer's market. Shout out to my local farmer's market. This has already been washed, so we're going to cut this up. And then I have some organic extra virgin Mediterranean olive oil. They had this in Whole Foods on sale, so I picked this up. This is going to be my first time, trying this oil. And then I'm going to season my yams with, of course, some complete seasoning, as well as some of this French fry seasoning. Okay. So that, listed everything. So yeah, let's get started with cooking this delicious meal. Hey fam, I just wanted to pop back in. So as I told you, the ancestors, they start talking to me and they say, hey, add this, add that. So as you're going to see, as I'm cooking throughout the video, I decided to add the black pepper as well as paprika to our food. Okay, just wanted to pop in and let you know that. Alright, G Squad, so there you have it. My roasted sweet potatoes along with my lemon barbecue salmon. So family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment below. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.